Join me as I take on the challenge of planting sunflower seeds and tracking their epic journey to reach sunlight and beyond. In a world where life bursts forth from the earth, one tiny seed holds the key to unlocking the secrets of nature's grand design. Today we're going to follow the incredible adventure of sunflower seeds as they embark on a perilous journey from the earth to the sunlight, highlighting their significance in the natural world. Deep beneath the earth's surface, sunflower seeds face a daunting challenge. In a dark and cramped environment, they must compete with other seeds and roots for a limited supply of nutrients. The struggle for survival is real, and only the strongest will make it through. Added to this is the arduous task of breaking through the heavy soil above, a feat that requires Herculean effort and determination. Down here, every seed is on its own, fighting for the chance to reach the surface. The seeds must push and push, slowly making their way upwards, navigating through a labyrinth of roots and obstacles. It's a slow and laborious process, but one that is essential for their growth. As they make their way up, the seeds begin to absorb more and more nutrients from the surrounding soil. They drink in the water and minerals, using them to fuel their growth and development. It's a gradual process, but one that is crucial for their survival. The seeds are starting to take shape, their tiny roots growing stronger with each passing day. They're getting closer and closer to the surface, and the excitement is building. The moment of truth is fast approaching. Will our little seed make it to the surface, or will it fall victim to the dangers that lurk beneath? The anticipation is palpable as the seed edges closer and closer, its tender shoots pushing against the soil. It's a make or break moment, and the outcome is far from certain. And then, suddenly, it happens. The seed bursts forth from the earth, its vibrant green leaves unfurling towards the sun. The moment of triumph is glorious, a celebration of life and renewal. The sunflower stretches towards the sky, its leaves drinking in the warm sunlight. It's a moment of pure joy, a testament to the resilience and determination of these tiny seeds. The sunflower has broken through the surface, and nothing can stop it now. It's a beautiful, vibrant creature, full of life and energy. Its journey may have been long and arduous, but the end result is truly breathtaking. What an incredible journey our little sunflower seed has been on. From the dark, damp earth to the warm, sunny surface, it's a testament to the power and beauty of nature. The sunflower's resilience and determination are an inspiration to us all, a reminder of the beauty and wonder that surrounds us every day. Thanks for joining me on this epic adventure. If you have any thoughts about nature's incredible journeys, be sure to share them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about plant growth and the natural world, be sure to check out my next video.